Alright, you guys, always finding a way to brand. Look at that. Put my card on some big lighters. Show you how I did it. Get the big lighter. Got my sticker paper. I measured it. Take one off and wrap one. Okay, I got these from the Dollar Tree. These are the mini slim flick big lighters. Okay, that's how it looks. This is how I did my sticker paper measurements for it. Alright, that's how it looks. So because the way my thing cut, I'm gonna cut this white piece off up here. Okay, hold up. Okay, cut that little white part off. Now, I'm just going to stick it right like in the middle. Make sure I smooth it out. Flip it. Smooth this up. Make sure this is smooth. And bam! Customize a lighter. I don't smoke, but you can give these out or use it to light your candles or whatever. You know? Think this is a good promotional thing. And supporting your business. So yeah, y'all. Dollar Tree. I get my sticker paper. I guess you can. This is the sticker paper that I use. I think I showed y'all previously the sticker paper I use. But yeah, it's waterproof. So yeah, that's it, you guys.